AIRLEARN app language learning. So join AIRLEARN and learn a new language. Learn 25 plus languages. Enjoy real world lessons. Learn about the culture, revise, reinforce, remember. Learn vocabulary, grammar, and more. New language, Telugu is available now. 25 plus languages. Learn first, practice next. Rich cultural insights, clean minimalist, pick languages, NXP. So there are a lot of apps which are kind of trying to be alternatives for Duolingo, kind of this gamified approach. So this is just another one of those which you can try. As you can see, it has quite a lot of ratings. And you can just open it up. And then you can just continue with Apple. And then you can just select a language to learn. So then you can just select which ones you want to learn. For German speakers, so you just select, for example, and then you can just select 30 days goals. Then you need, again, they want to get you, and then go unlimited with Pro Free for 14 days. There is a free trial, and then here is your account. And then you can just
Welcome
to
the
started,
world of Spanish.
And then it's kind of similar to Duolingo. In the design is similar, actually. And then you can just see all of these lessons like that. So yeah, share, get cool merchandise. They have merch shop, 14 days free trial, and yeah, that's just what you're getting. It's your account. You can see Pro. So yeah, that's the idea.